Good morning, friends. I just wanted to give you a real quick update about Lolapalooza 2021 at Abilene State Park coming up this weekend. So I got a phone call yesterday from the acting superintendent at Abilene State Park, and she wanted to go over a couple of things with me. So when I initially made this reservation, I went through the Reservation Center in Austin. That's the only way you can reserve for a group, and so I did so. And I clarified with them then that as per their website states, it's $3 day use per person if you're with a group. So that's what I put out to everybody because that's what they told me. Well, the superintendent told me yesterday that that's not the case, that they're not going to honor that they're going to be charging $5 a day per person. There's nothing I can do about that. I don't make the rules, I don't change the rules, but I am just letting you know. Another thing that I confirmed whenever I made these reservations at that if we had a tent camper or a third person on a site that wasn't using the electricity, that wouldn't be a problem. Well, it's still not a problem. That's still a go. However, the state park will be charging $4 per third vehicle. So if you are a third person on that Wagon Wheel site, they're going to charge you an extra $4 per day. Now, I've tried to contact everybody that is in a third site, and I think I've pretty much gotten hold of everybody. A couple haven't responded yet, though, so I'm not really sure what to do about that. I had initially thought that I would go ahead and just pay for those extra fees, that $4 each vehicle for each night. But the problem with that is if people get there before I do, which most of them are already there, there's nothing I can do about it. They're going to have already charged you. And I can't go back and reimburse because all of this will be going on a credit card. And yeah, again, a money logistical nightmare that I can't deal with. So with that said, I really apologize for the last minute changes. I didn't know anything about it, like I said, till yesterday evening. And so I'm just passing it on to you. Hopefully it'll all work out fine. It'll all work out the way it's supposed to, and we will all come together and have a great time. So if you are heading out, I will see you on Thursday at 4 o'clock in the Wagon Wheel to have our kickoff, and it's going to be a great weekend. We'll see you there. Y'all stay lost, my friends.